Hello traders, welcome to another episode of chart pattern trading. In this video I will teach you advanced flag continuation chart pattern. If this video is for you, kindly stay tuned to grab the secret. So dear trader, before we start, I want you to know that flags are among the most popular forex chart pattern and they are exclusively trend continuation pattern. So now looking at this diagram, we have two phases of the trend in this pair euro chef. We have existing trend and corrective phase. You get the point? And the top secret is this: the greater the difference between this very corrective phase and existing trend, the likelihood that the price will continue a downtrend. You get the point? I repeat again, the greater the difference between these two phases of existing trend and corrective phase, the likelihood that the trend will do what? That the trend will continue. Do you get the point? So now, for you to observe a greater difference but the two phases of the market, you apply indicator called moving average. That's the reason I use this 50 period moving average. You get the point? I repeat again, for you to observe a greater difference for the two market phase, you need 50 period moving average. This will help you to give you a pivot point for more aided confluence. You get the point? So let's move into a live chart for you to understand how this flag pattern will give you more greater risk to reward. So now you look at the screen, you observe that the price was what? Currently in what? In a good downtrend. That is the existing trend, and this is what? A corrective phase. Once you spot this, for you to be more sure of what you're doing, you need to apply this indicator called 50 period moving average. If you apply 50 period moving average, it will filter the trend for us. It will tell us when the price went into a corrective phase. So now this is our trend. There's no doubt about it. This is a downtrend. Now this is our downtrend and this is a corrective phase. So we need to plot our trend line, waiting for days of breakout. If you do these two things, what are you waiting for? You're waiting for breakout. You wait patiently to have a good momentum candle for your breakout. So let's see if we have a good breakout. We have phase breakout, but this is not a good breakout though. We need good momentum candle. So wait for more days. You see what happened? Some traders who get into this trade with this candle here, some of them might be out for now, though they will set your stop loss over here, but it's not a good entry though. We need to wait patiently to see a big candle or breakout. Good one. So this candlestick here shows us total pressure of sellers. You get the point? So that's what we need to see whenever we are trading flag continuation pattern. You get the point? So our entry is this candle. We go for short. It doesn't stop here. I will still reveal a secret that I use to follow the trend with this pattern, because often you will see that the price still give you another mini flag formation after this long corrective phase in the existing trend. Good one. So now this is the another top secret. As the price was moving in our favor, we should be observing how the price was reacting to the 50 period EMA. This is the first reaction that shows us that the price was totally in a good, healthy, strong trend. This is another one. This is another filter. We have two legs of trend continuation now. The likelihood sometimes you spot a corrective phase. This is the signal that the price is now moving to a corrective phase. You need to pay very good attention as a price action trader. You need to follow the price step by step on what he's doing. Fine, this is a fantastic spot. Now this is a corrective phase. I just need to plot my trend line, waiting for days of price have breakouts from this corrective phase. So my entry, another entry is here, and my stop loss. You get the point? So but we are targeting just 1:2 because the price has given us more earnings, more RRR risk to reward. So we are just going for 1:2 if I'm not mistaken. So going for 1:2, that should be our take profit. So 1:2. Let's see how the future brings. It's a very good trade. No wasting of time. Sometimes it hurts not to hit our TP, but we need to have patience. You see what happened? So the trade is won perfectly. So that's how to trade it. So if you love what you saw so far, kindly click on notification bell, comment below for me to know where I will help to share more tips I use on my daily trading bias. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye for now. You'll be above here. Catch you.